go do that too? Look,
Yeah.
can you go like this?
Mm-hmm.
I'll do that.
Careful.
Lucas, Ate is gonna catch you in case you fall. Look. You did it, Lucas!
You did it! Yay!
It's tight. I'm gonna do sideways.
Sideways.
Ah, my butt. Mommy!
You're the sideways.
Ikaw maligo ka uli ah.
I'm pain. Ninang! I'm pain. Mommy! Mom, check this.
Takot ba dito si Aino?
Hindi. Tapang yan.
Mommy, can I push him?
No. Mami will do it.
I said put your teeth right there. Okay.
Careful, careful. Down. Go down.
I got it.
Okay.
Let's push. It's looking at the ground.
Go. Go, Lucas. Go. Go. Very good. Good job. Good job, Lucas. Wow! Galing naman ito. Oh.
Julia naman eh. Ay, huwag na tuhay eh.
I'm gonna do this to myself here.
Tinan mo to, oh. Tinan mo isa rin, oh.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Isaac.
Don't do that ah. Mabaliktad ka, Julia, please.
Go, Lucas. Go, don't stand. You're gonna fall. Go down. Marunong ka na. You know it, how to do it, ah.
Tingnan mo to si Isaac.
Calvin, hindi nga takot yun.
Hammers like friends. He likes it.
Tapang
And I
yan.
think he likes getting pushed by the grass. He also knows how to stop it by himself.
Ito dati.
Oo, you're gonna fall.
Why you stopping it? Look pa, Isaac.
He likes to put his feet on this. Hello! Hello! Waya! Waya!
Stop it, Isaac. Ang inihinto niya.
Nakikiliti yung paa niya.
Siguro dapat mag-socks, mag-shoes ka.
Wee!
Dapat suotan ng shoes.
Wee!
Sige.
Amantay.
Sige.
Mama!
Okay, dahan-dahan. Tamaan mo naman yung bata, eh.